Is your laptop hacked, slow, or full of pop-ups? Don't panic. Here's how to remove any virus step by step. Step 1. Restart in safe mode to stop malware from auto-loading. Step 2. Run a full antivirus scan using Windows Defender or Malwarebytes to detect and remove threats. Step 3. Remove any strange or recently installed programs from your laptop. Step 4. Clear browser cache and reset settings to remove adware and redirects. Step 5. Check Task Manager and disable suspicious startup apps using high CPU or RAM. Step 6. Use System Restore to roll back your laptop to a healthy state. Step 7. If nothing works, reinstall Windows for a 100% clean system. To prevent future attacks, install a trusted antivirus, keep Windows updated, avoid cracked software, and always back up your files. Fix your laptop before it's too late. Search "Remove virus from laptop" or "Laptop virus fix."